Today we start remaining part of exercise 10.2. To the 4-6. Integration sine x degree dx. At first we convert x degree. Integration sine pi x by 180 d of x. Since 1 degree is equal pi by 180 radian. Now formula of sine x minus cos x by a. Now minus cos of ax, that means pi x by 180 by a, pi by 180. The formula integration sine ax dx is equal minus cos ax by a plus c. Here plus c. Now here a, that means pi by 180 sine a x dx. Here a, that means pi by 180. Now minus cos pi x by a, that means pi by 180. Now if we calculate it, 180 by pi cos pi x by 180 plus c. This is the answer, and it is same as H.S.C. Math. Now question number 5 of 1. Integration sine 5x into sine of 3x dx. If we take 5x as a and 3x is b, that means sine ab. Now there is no formula of sine of ab, but we know the formula twice sine a sine b. Now you write down the formula 2 sine a sine b. That means cos a minus b, cos of a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is the formula. Now we put the formula. At first we need to 2 here only sine a sine b. Now if we give here 2 sine 5x into sine 3x dx. Here we take extra 2 multiply, so divided by 2. Now half. Now 2 sine a sine b. We put the formula. Therefore cos a minus b, cos of a minus b. Here a is 5x, a is 5x and b is 3x. Now 5x minus 3x, 2x, minus cos a plus b, 5x plus 3x, 8x whole dx. Now half into integration of cos 2x, that means sin 2x by 2, sin 2x by 2, here cos 8x, this is cos 8x, this is the minus sign, it's a mistake, it is cos 8x, not only 8x. Now again integration of cos x minus cos 8x, that means sin 8x by 8 plus c. Now we calculate it, 1 by 4 sin of 2x minus 2 into 8, 16, 1 by 16 sin 8x plus c. Done. This is the answer. Now page number page number 9. Page 9. Now 5 of 3 numbers and 5 2 is same as 1. 2 numbers same as 1. It's try yourself. Now question number 5 of 3. Three number. Here integration 5 cos 4x into sin 3x dx. Now look at here, 5 cos 4x sin 3x dx. At first we take the constant term to the in front of integration sign. 5 cos of 4x sin 3x d of x. Now we need to 2 here, then we get the formula 2 cos a sin b. If we take 2 here, cos 4x sin 3x dx, and in front of integration sign here 5. For this 2 we take here 2, that means divided by 2 for balance, 2 to cancel, that means 5 cos 4x sin 3x dx. Now we put the formula of 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. Now that means sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Integration sine a plus b. Here 4x plus 3x, that means 7x minus sine a minus b. That means 4x minus 3x is equal only x whole days. For betterment, you write down the formula 2 cos a sin b is equal sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. A minus b. This is the formula 2 cos a sin b, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Now 5/2 sin x, and its formula minus cos x by a. Now give the minus cos x, 7x by a 7. Here this symbol minus, again sin x, and its integration is minus cos x. Now 5/2 is multiple plus c. Now we calculate it. Minus 5/2 cos of 7x by 7 plus cos x. Now at first we take the common 5/2, then here minus plus c. Now we arrange it. 5/2 cos x minus cos 7x by 7 plus c. This is the answer. And 4 numbers. Write down the question. 4 number 7 sin 4x and sine of 2x dx. Now at first we look at the 5 of 3 number. Here 5 cos 4x sin 3x dx. So if we skip second line, here just in front of integration we take the constant term. If you write down, for we need to formula, then 2 cos a sin b. Now we divided 5/2. Write down directly 5/2 and 2 cos a sin b. Now 4 number, write down directly. Here 7. Now 7/2 integration 2 sin 4x and sine of 2x dx. Now 7/2. Now formula of 2 sin a sin b. to sin A, sin B. Be careful of this formula. Here cos of A minus B, 4x minus 2x, just 2x, then minus cos A plus B, 4x plus 2x, 6x, whole d of x. Now I write down the formula. Here the formula of 2 sin A sin B is equal cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. Done. Now is just integration this function. Cos x, we know the formula of integration cos x, that means sin x by A. Now here cos 2x, that means sin 2x by 2. Now page 10, in the previous page, here 7 by 2. Now write down 7 by 2 and there cos 2x. Now integration of cos 2x, that means sin 2x by 2 minus cos x minus sin 6x by 6, because here cos of 6x, so its integration sin 6x by 6. It's the formula of cos, integration of cos x, that means sin x by A. Now close the bracket, give constant. Now here 7 by 2 we LCM here 2 and 6, that means 6. Now sin of 2x, 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x plus c. Now we multiply. 2 6 are 12. 7 by 12. 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x plus c. Sometimes the given question show that, if show that this line, then you at first LCM, then arrange it. Otherwise you write down here, this is the answer. Okay. Now 5 number, sin and cos. Try yourself. Now we go to the 7 numbers. 7 1 and also 6 number is your homework. Now question number 7 1, integration of cos cube x dx. Already you learned in trigonometric formula cos 3a. Now tell me what is the formula of cos 3a. We know cos 3a is equal 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now from here we calculate the value of the cos cube a. Here cos 3a equal 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Here given integration of cos cube x dx. Now if we give here 4, then 4 cos cube a. Now balance it 1 by 4 cos cube x dx. Now if we side sense here, 4 cos cube a equal cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Now 1 by 4 integration 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx. Therefore 4 cos cube a equal 3 cos a plus cos 3a. This is the formula. Now we just integrated 3 cos a. Now here 3 sin x, but cos 3x, that means sin 3x by 3. Give the first bracket and constant. Now we LCM it 1 by 12 sin 3x plus 9 sin x plus c. Here denominator is 3 sin x and numerator is 1. Now 3 3 jar 9 sin x plus sin 3x, 3 4 jar 12. Again I repeat it, 3 jar 9 sin x, 9 sin x plus sin 3x, 3 4 jar 12. Just one line skip here. The answer. And 2 numbers, try yourself. Now page number 11. Page 11. And question number 8. 1 numbers. Now integration of sine to the power 4x dx. Now we can write down sine square x whole square dx. But we know the formula of 2 sine square a is equal 1 minus cos 2a. This is the formula. So for 2 sine square, we give here 2 integration 2 sine square x whole square dx. Since we give here 2 square, 2 square is equal 4. For balance, we divided by 4. Now 1 by 4. 2 sine square x. We write in the formula 1 minus cos 2a. That means 1 minus cos 2x. Now whole square d of x. 1 by 4. 1 is a and cos 2x is b. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab. That means cos 2x plus b square. It's cos square 2x whole d of x. Now we separate it. 1 by 4 dx minus 2 by 4 cos of 2x dx plus 1 by 4 cos square 2x dx. Now 1 by 4 integration of dx, that means x, minus 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2x sin 2x by 2 plus 1 by 4. Again the formula of cos square a. Here only cos square x. That means we take 2 cos square 2x. For this 2 divided by 2 or multiply by half d of x. Now 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 8 2 cos square 2x, that means a, 2 cos square a. Now this is the formula, same types. 2 sin cos square a equal 1 plus cos of 2a. 2 cos square 1 plus cos 2a. Here 2 cos square 2a, that means 1 plus cos 2a. A, that means 2x. 2 to jar 4x. First bracket d of x integration. Now 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 sin of 2x. Now integration of 1 dx, that means only dx, we get x. 1 by 8 x plus 1 by 8 cos 4x sin 4x by 4 plus c. Since formula of cos ax is equal sin ax by a. Here a, that a is 4. Now 1 by 4x plus 1 by 8 x Here 1 by 4, 1 by 4. At first we take common term 1 by 4. X minus sin 2x plus here common 1 by 4, so 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 8 multiply 4 by 1 is half. Half x plus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus c. Now 1 by 4. X plus half x, that means 3x by 2. 3x by 2 minus sine 2x plus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus c. This is the answer. Page 12. Page 12. You just arrange it, and 1 by 4 is common. Now 9 1 number, which is the most important. 9 1. This is the most important maths. Sine square x cos of 2x dx. Now only sine square, so we take 2 and 1 by 2 sine square x cos of 2x dx. Now 1 by 2, for this we take 1 by 2. Now 2 sine square x, 1 minus cos 2x. For 2 sine square x, we write down 1 minus cos 2x and multiply by cos 2x dx. Now 1 by 2 integration multiply cos of 2x dx minus 1 by 2 cos 2x and cos 2x. That means cos square 2x dx. Just multiply 1 into cos 2x, cos 2x, cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x. 1 by 2 sine of 2x by 2, integration of cos 2x sin 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now here cos square 2x, we take 2 cos square 2x. For this 2 we take half. For this 2 we take half. Now 1 by 4 sine of 2x minus 1 by 4. Again formula of 2 cos square x. 2 cos square, here x, that means 2x, but 2 cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos of 2a. A, that means 2x. 2 to jar 4x. d of x. Now 1 by 4 sine 2x. Now integration of 1 into dx, that means dx 1 by 4. Here x and cos x, cos 4x sine 4x by 4 plus c. We take common term 1 by 4 sine 2x minus x minus 1 by 4 sine of 4x plus c. This 1 by 4 on 1 by 4 is common term. Sine 2x for minus and minus x plus minus 1 by 4 sine 4x. Now page 13. And question number 9 to try yourself. Now page 13. 10 number. 10 is 1 number. First question, sin square x into cos square x d of x. It is also important math. Now give the formula. Sin x cos x whole square d of x. You can write down this. Now only sin a cos a. We write down 2 sin a cos a, then 2 sin x cos x whole square. For these two we get a formula 2 sin a cos a, and 2 square is equal 4. 2 square equal 4. 1 by 4 d of x. Now 1 by 4 2 sin a cos. That means sin square 2x. We know the formula. The first maths, that means math number page number 8, 9, 10. To sin a cos a, sin 2a. We know the formula of 2 sin a cos a.